Good evening, students. I hope you all are happy and safe. Okay, so in our last class, we study about the chapter 2 and the unit 1. Clear? And today we are going to study about the chapter 2 and the unit 2. Students, you know very well the structure of the flower. This is the male reproductive part and this is the female reproductive part. Male reproductive part is androecium and the female reproductive part is the gynoecium. Male reproductive part yani androecium produces male gametes and the female reproductive part, that is the gynoecium, produces the female gametes. Now what is gametes? Gametes are the sex cells. So male gamete, that is the powdery substances consisting of tiny structure called pollen grains. Okay, so anther produces the pollen grains. Clear? So male gamete, that is the powdery uh, substances that is called the pollen grain. Now today's topic is pollination. So what is the mean of the pollination? So pollination is the process in which pollen grain transfer from the ripe anther to the stigma of same flower or another flower. Okay, so it means the transfer of pollen grains from the male reproductive parts to the female reproductive parts. So on the basis of the male same flowers or another flowers, it can be two types. Okay, that is the self pollination and the cross pollination. Okay, so first is the self pollination. So self pollination is the transfer of pollen grains from the anther to the stigma of same flower. Okay, it means same flower or another flower of the same plant. I repeat, the transfer of pollen grains from the anther to the stigma. It means male reproductive parts to the female reproductive part of the same flower or maybe another flower of the same plant but in same plant, that is the self pollination. But in the cross pollination means transfer of pollen grains from the anther of one flower to the stigma of another flower. Okay, another flower of another plant. Clear? So cross pollination means pollen grains transfer the anthers of uh, one plant and to the stigma of flower of the another plant. Okay, that is the cross pollination. I repeat one more time. Self pollination means transfer of pollen grains from the anther to the stigma of same flower. Okay, same flower. But in the cross pollination, the transfer of pollen grains from the anther to the stigma of another flower. That is the difference between the self and the cross pollination. So next is the agents of the pollination. Students, plants do not have leg or hands. So how can they transfer the pollen grains from one flower to the another flowers? Okay. So they need the agents. What is the agents? So agents are the medium that transfer pollen grains from one flower to the another flower, that as air, water, insects. Okay, so agents are the medium that transfer the pollen grains from one flower to the another flower, as in the cross pollination. Clear? As air, water and insect. So students, I hope you understand the topic pollination, self pollination, cross pollination and the agents of the pollination. Okay, and doubts will be clear in the Zoom class. Okay students, goodbye and take care.